Hey guys, I think it's high time you start to gym your fingers to make them stronger. Okay, so in this video I'll be giving you 3 exercises to help you gym your fingers and make them stronger when playing the bass guitar. Okay, so I recommend you watch this video to the end and learn and master these 3 exercises, so anytime you want to practice, you do the workout, then you can practice whatever you want to practice. Okay, so if you're new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome, but I want you to join the family by subscribing, like the video, and share this video to a friend out there. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you are interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description, or you can click on this card to take you to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. But before we start the breakdown, I have been posting some ad on my WhatsApp channel. Okay, so I have posted these various types of wireless jack on my WhatsApp channel. Okay, if you need any of these, it is not only for bass players. If you are a guitar player, that is, you play acoustic or you play the lead, you understand, or even if you play keyboard and those kind of solo keyboard where you have to hang the keyboard on your neck, you understand, you don't even need to use cable. You need to use this wireless jack to jack. Okay, so that the movement around you can be easy. So I want you to go to my channel, that is my WhatsApp channel. You see the link in the description below. I have posted like 4 to 5 types. If you need some, DM me. Okay, thank you. Easy like that. Okay, so guys, let's work on the first exercise. Okay, so this first exercise, you'll be using the whole 4 fingers, you understand? Okay, and as you are playing them, master them. Okay, so let's work on that. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so this is the first one, and I was playing it on key A. Okay, so when you have mastered this, try to use them with all the keys. Okay, so this is what I was doing. My middle finger plays the root note because I'm using the second shape. That is your 1, your do. Okay, so do. Now your mi, that is your 3. Now to your 4. So I have my second finger playing my root, first finger playing my 3, that is me, and my second finger again playing my 4. Okay, so okay, if you're having challenges in playing fast, just play these 3 notes for now so that you master them. Okay, okay, so now let's go to the 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. That is your la. 1, 3, 4, 6. Do, mi, fa, la. Okay, do, mi, fa, la. So my la, it was my first finger that was playing the la. So do, mi, fa, la. So now I'll be going to my 2. That is my little finger. Now I'll be playing the 2. So you now have to bring your little finger up here. Okay, so now let's focus on from 1 to your 2. 1, 3, 4, 6, 2. Okay. Okay. Okay, so take it slow. Just like that. Okay, so so I always recommend you that when you are practicing with notes, try to sing them in you understand? Okay. Okay, so now we are now to use the 3rd finger. 1, 3, 4, 6, 2. Then you have your fi, that is your 4 sharp, or let's say 5 flat, your fi, and now to your so, that is your 5. So 1, 3, 4, 6, 2, 5 flat, 5. So practice this very well. Okay, then 7, 1. Now your first finger plays your 7, and now back to your middle finger, the second finger playing the root 1. Take it slow. Next key. Okay, so let's come back to the A. So I did this in two ways. That's the 7-1. Okay, so do, mi, fa, la, re, fi, so, ti, do to my root. Then I'll be going to my octave using ti, do to the octave. Do, mi, fa, la, re, fi, so, ti, do. Then you continue mi, fa. When you play ti, do on the higher notes, don't come and play on the heavy note to ti, do. So ti, do, then you continue from mi, fa, la, re, fi, so. Mi, fa, la, re, fi, so. You understand? Okay, so you can start from your F. Okay, next key. Next key. Okay, so if you have to move to the next key, let me show you how it works. Let's say we are playing on key G now. Move to key G. Do, mi, fa, la, re, fi, so, ti, do. Mi, fa, la, re, fi, so, ti, do, mi, fa, la, re, fi, so. So when you play ti, do on key G, modulate to the next key and play mi, fa, ti, do, mi, fa. The next key, that is your G sharp. G, mi, fa. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so this is the first one. Practice it very, very well. Okay, get a metronome or a praise loop, because here I'm using a praise loop. You understand? Or get a loop, put it on that and start to practice on that. Okay, you can do it on C, D, okay, so make sure that when you are plucking, concentrate on that. Okay, so that you don't miss the note. So now let's jump to the second one. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, so when you master the first one, you're okay. Master the second one too. Okay, then practice this and master it very well. So on key A, then 1, then now your 4 fingers will be playing 3, 4, 4 sharp 5, the chromatic scale. You see, it is now in. Okay, 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 that is 1, 3, 4, 4 sharp 5. Then now you'll be playing 6, 7, 1, do, mi, fa, fi, so. Okay, that is 3, 4, 4 sharp 5, la, ti, do, 6, 7, 1. Then now to your 4, you now be playing a natural minor here. Okay, 4, 5, 5 sharp. Okay, four, 5, 5 sharp. Then you have your 7 flat. You have your 1, 1 sharp. That is your do, do, di. Now you have your mo, your 3 flat, and your 4. You understand? Okay, so you take it slow. So now when you're coming back to your 1, you need to make sure that your middle finger plays your 1. So this is how I do it. When I play, then I relax here, the side here on the 1. You understand? Okay, there are some of your fingers are very wide, okay, but my finger is not that wide, you understand? So when you do this, when you've done, try to move them to the next key, okay. Okay, so this is the second one, and now let's go to the third one where you'll be using the modes on this exercise, okay. So your one mode, if you know your one mode, you have your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 do re mi fa sol la ti do. So from your 1 you'll be going to your 4, then your middle finger start on the 4 just like the 1, okay, 4, then you do a mode on that. You have your 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4. That is your fa sol la ti do re mi fa. So from your 4 you're going to your mode 3. That is your 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 mi fa sol la ti do re mi. Okay, so you just need to take it slow. 1 4 3. Then now to your 2 and 5, that you won't be using the modes. 2 3 4. It's like how you're ending a praise song. 6 5 5 1. Then you continue the mode, okay. So just take it slow as you are learning it slowly, then try to be raising the tempo, okay, so that, because when you're playing it slow forever, you're not gymming, you're not making your fingers stronger, okay. The more you play it fast, the more you are working your hands out, okay. So okay, so 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 6 5 5 6 7 1, okay, you understand, okay. So 2 3 4 6 5 5 6 7 1, you continue, okay. So okay, so you do that to all the keys, okay. So I think this is what I have for you today. Take time and practice each of them very well, and even the last one, you can work on the last one very well. Let it be your personal workout. Train your fingers with it before you start to rehearse any other thing, okay. So I'll be seeing you guys this coming Saturday